Yo, what up everyone? Welcome back to Team Missionaries. This is Will. As you know, Brabus just launched Brabus Signature Night a couple months ago, and they just launched brand new Brabus kit for W465. And today behind me, this is 2013 G63, and we deliver a Brabus style kit for this car. It's more cheaper and more easier for people to take it. Did you remember we upgraded the 2010 regular G-Wagon to G63? This car is already G63, so we are going to upgrade to Brabus style G900. Fully interior and exterior. And last time, the video, we have so many positive feedback back, and so we are confident about this challenge. Are you ready for it? Let's go. The answer is behind me. Smoked headlight. Night edition grille. Smoked corner light. Massive logo. Aero kit. The original G63's front design is simple, with straight lines and a wide body that gives steady feeling. But compared with Brabus 900, it visually lacks some dominance. Brabus design makes the G-Class looks wider and more commanding, a perfect upgrade for anyone craving a more imposing presence. The original headlight with round housing and teardrop shaped give a vintage luxury vibe. They've started to feel a bit dated over the years. Many G-Class owners choose to upgrade more modern and aggressive headlight assembles. By integrating additional LED elements, the front end area becomes significantly more intimidating. We all know this is 2013 old car. It should have rubbered front windshield over here, but we upgrade to stripless glasses. It looks like new style. We make all the details. And of course, we are not only upgrade the front windshield, but also the side glasses and the rear glasses. And of course, the hybrid light over here. It looks like the same as the new model. That's all the details we do. If you rank this car from 0 to 10, what score would you like to take? And also, we are not only upgrade the exterior, we also upgrade the interior. Imagine this car is 2013 and we upgrade to new model interior, but also Brabus style. Let's check it out. Would you like it? Wow! In the past videos, we've talked about many black and red interiors, but this white interior is absolutely stunning. Many people think white interiors easily get dirty. I'm not totally willing to pay the price for such a high-end design. Many features were missing in the 2013 G63, but now it is fully equipped with seat cooling, heating, and massage functions. You can choose all these functions at the Tuning official website. We offer a variety of these colors, not only the most common black and red, but also premium options like Yeti Blue, Emerald Orange, and more. Do you remember the dashboard of 2013 G63? It has small screen, give an old school classic car feel, right? We've completely upgraded. Now it comes with two 12.3-inch large screen. Not only that, the quality of the dashboard has been completely upgraded. Now it's wrapped with leather and with delicate stitching. You can choose carbon fiber or pure black panels, making the luxury feel truly stand out. The central console has been greatly simplified. The physical buttons are nearly invisible. The touch controls and knobs are super convenient to use. Replace the bulky handbrake and gear shifter from 2013 model with the electronic handbrakes and a column shifter, creating more space. For luxury vehicles, steering wheel are essential. Upgrading to the latest steering wheel gives you more sporty and luxury feel. The latest version comes with paddle shifter and touch-sensitive buttons. Considering upgrading to a steering wheel with custom logo or high-end material. I think the coolest part is the ambient light. Now it's adjustable to 64 colors. The narrow space and hard seats of G-Class have always been point of criticism. Many owners feel that real seats in 180,000 cars are less comfortable than those only 20,000 cars. To solve this issue, we upgrade the real seats with sofa bed. They also come with armrest and massage functions, rivaling those in luxury business cars. The seats are adjustable not only forward and backward, but also the back rest angle can be adjusted, significantly improving the comfort. And when you need to rest, the rear seats can be folded down, transforming the space into a full bed. Would you like to experience that? Okay, brothers, let's guess how much cost we modify a Brabus like this. And if you have an old G-Wagon, would you glad to pay a little money, upgrade your car like this style? If you do, please leave your message yes in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe us. We are Team Visionaries. We will keep doing things, G-Wagons and some other brand cars, and keep following us. We will blow your mind. See you next video.